Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on plotting price levels on the Thinkorswim chart platform. So I've taken an example of the ticker SPCE and I've made up these numbers just to show you how to plot the price levels on the charts. So as an example, space needs to hold 46.33, then break 46.5, 47, 47.4 and 47.8. Again, these are purely just for educational example purposes. So we'll jump over to Thinkorswim. Again, I've got no indicators on here. This is, again, just purely focused on plotting the price levels. So what you're going to want to do, as standard, Thinkorswim is going to, I think, have the pointer tool set up. So if you come along to the top here, select drawings and then go to drawing tools. The standard, I think, is either going to be the little hand tool or the pointer. What we're looking for is the price level tool. So you can just hover over there and it says price level. It's the one with the dollar and the kind of underline underneath the dollar. So you're going to want to click on that. That is then going to allow you to, when you double click, it's going to plot a line based on where you've selected. So as a pure example, I'll go here, 46.86. If I double click right now, that's going to plot a line in the middle of that kind of price level, so 46.86. Now you'll notice that the dollar amount and the line is a kind of white color, and obviously the dollar amount is displayed. This isn't standard, so if we right click on this line and edit properties, as standard, I think the color of the line is going to be red. So down in this bottom left hand corner here, the color is normally red and the price also isn't shown. So I think this is what you will most likely see whenever you go to plot a price level. I've just found it helpful to show the price. So let's delete this. So remove drawing. Let's go back to the price levels that we talked about. So 46.33. Let's plot that one first. So you'll want to just come along to that price level, 46.33, and it really depends where you want, like how far out you want to plot it. But I kind of just go roughly, 1 hour maybe away from the current price or the current candle. So I'll double click there and that'll plot that line. So again, to get those to get the actual price showing on the right hand side there, you're going to want to go to this drop down here, so show price, and I've just selected on the right. You can select on the left and that would obviously bring it over here, but I find it's quite helpful just to have it on the far right hand side. So that'll show you the actual price that you've then plotted. And for the color, again, it's really up to you. Like you can just select red. I've selected that kind of white or gray color just because I think it looks slightly neater. But that's really it. So once you've got one line plotted, you can really just quickly go through all the other ones. So let's jump back and go to 46.5 is the next level. So we'll go up to it. Again, double click, that's that plotted. Move back 47 and 47.4. So we'll go up to that, 47, 47.4, and the final one I think was 47.8, so we might need to zoom out a little bit for that. 47.8. And that's really it. That's how quick and easy it is to plot those price levels. So definitely would encourage you, as and when the alerts are being sent out and shared, if it's a stock that you are looking at and targeting and potentially going to trade, really encourage you to quickly get into the habit of quickly plotting those various price levels, the resistance numbers and the support numbers, because it'll help you a lot when you can see clearly, okay, right now the candle is perhaps under that 46.33 level, or wherever it's sitting at. You can see the levels very clearly, and you can see and monitor as it moves up or down whether or not you want to get in or get out of a trade. So hopefully this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions.